Wow, that is what you're going to say when you unbox this absolutely stunning wooden dining chair that the team very kindly sent out to me to take a look at. It arrives thoughtfully packaged, it comes together super quickly, and there's no tools required. One of the first things you'll notice is the incredible quality. From the protective gold-plated foot caps that prevent scratches on wooden floors, to gorgeous walnut legs, and the beautiful half-rack back padded to ensure long-lasting coziness and comfort. It's the perfect blend of style and comfort, crafted with a sturdy wooden frame and luxurious Leathaire upholstery. This chair offers long-lasting comfort with high-density foam cushioning. It's available in 7 elegant colours, including apricot, avocado, navy blue and many more. Each comes with this beautiful walnut back and legs. It effortlessly complements any decor, making it a versatile addition to your dining room, living room or even a great makeup vanity chair. This chair oozes quality and sophistication. It's comfortable and blends modern and classic styling perfectly. The walnut panel is chic and the legs and shape are timeless. Thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending it out to us. This is absolutely gorgeous and we really do appreciate it.